South Korea da pangthokliba kunmapan suba Busan International Film Festival asida Ministry of Information and Broadcasting Government of India gi meeting makhada Northeast India gi film amadi culture promote taunaba thabak tawram kaya paikhatli masina maram oraga Northeast India gi film sing global film stage sa Achouba Pheeda ma Kanba Ngamlakli Hiramasada Impact News ki reporter Bhakta Taurangbam amadi video journalist Bisorjit Namairakpamdagi paudam ama
Ministry of Information and Broadcasting (MIB) Government of India gi meng makhada Northeast Leriba filmmaker singi oiba targeted intervention scheme gi makhada skill development program film production funding amadi A grade film festival singda exposure pibagi mahi phangba horakle Satyajit Ray Film and Television Institution gi graduate Tripura gi filmmaker Biplab Goswami gi film Lapata Lady India gi sahi sigi Oscar official film entry oiri Burnley Talents 2019 da saru yakiba Dominic Samagi Rapture Rimdo Gitana Friends ki theater sing do utna Europe ta yamna pamba film ama oiri Manipur gi film director Lakshmi Priya Devi gi feature film Bong Nifugu Mapan Suba Toronto International Film Festival tip ki prestigious discovery section da premiere show utna miyam gi puking chingsin bangam kre MIB gi sponsorship makhada kumja lising ani kungo humdoi da Northeast ki filmmaker kaya Ken Film Festival sar yaki sahi asigi oinasu MIB na sponsor tawduna tha sigi ani degi taramathoi phawba South Korea gi Busan da pangthokpa kunga mapan suba Busan International Film Festival da Manipur represent tawduna Manipur State Film Development Society MSF DS ki Secretary Sanju Basaspati Mayum Amadi Tangkul Naga Film Association Sinba First Tangkul Film Competition da Best Director Award phangba ngamkraba Tangkul Filmmaker Rinsing Ahum Chahong Saruk Yari.
I learned a lot, new things. Everything is new for me because everything is totally international and also everything is totally a very good experience that I really need in my career in days to come. Yeah, so the way we think for the films, the way we look for the films, the worldview is quite very new and very different the way I think before.
Today, your film yamse kugi normal platform da uda film ngatani yamna real film yamna creative film making ni aduga film screening da natana industry activities mayam ama highway film financing film gi marketing film gi financing film gi how to present your film to financiers co-producers or attract investment opportunities for your project habigi market ki section mayam ama yamna kanaba kudong chaba mayam exposure mayam phange aduga Ministry of INB aduga khoi Government of Manipur gi government art and culture ki department so sigumba sida khoi sana recommend tawraga thabi besigi thank you hajening
MIB na Northeast Cinema chakhonaba honariba asida Biplab Goswami apenma amadi nungaiba phongdokpuga loinana Northeast ki filmmaker singna hingnaba kaya thingnaragasu Indian cinema da achouba thodang lawba changi Northeast cinema da leiriba talent sing asi yenglaga tunggi asa yamna chauna leiri handakta leba asigi oina khwaidiki faba film script manga khagatpagi manungda Lapata Lady yauraga script ahumdi Northeast tagini haina Goswami na thamlakli.
At the end of 2018, there were a script contest. It was a search of a global search for Indian script writers. So I submitted my script over there, and out of almost 4,000 script writers, they selected top 5 script writers in that competition. And surprisingly and amazingly, out of top 5 scriptwriters, 3 of them were from Northeast India. It's a good example that we have a lot of story to tell through cinema, and this is an example for the Northeastern film fraternity as well, that we can try. There are some obstructions, but there are some challenges. But filmmakers from Northeast can do very well, and there is a lot of opportunities in front of us.
Minister of Information and Broadcasting MIB Meng Makhada Manipur Yauna Northeast ki tongan tongan ba state singi oiba film ga mari leinaba Sakut Tharanggi oiba project amadi scheme kyama paikhale si yenglaga Manipur Yauna Northeast ki cinema gi oiba ihau asi national madi international thakta Achouba Pheeda ama kanba ngambagi chauna khudong chaba ma leiri.